Welcome to our tutorial on managing user accounts in CocolevioHR. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to deactivate and delete user accounts. Let's get started. First up, if you need to temporarily disable a user account, here's how you can proceed. Navigate to Settings in the main menu and select the Users tab. For the user you want to deactivate, find the drop-down list under the status label. Here, select Inactive. Another way to do this is by clicking the edit icon next to the user's name. Under Status, choose Inactive from the drop-down list. Then, click Update User to save your changes. Once you've deactivated the account, that user will no longer be able to log into CocolevioHR. Now, let's talk about how to reactivate a user's account. Start by going back to the Users tab in Settings. Under the status label for the specific user, switch from inactive to active. Once again, you can click the edit icon for the user to change their status back to active. Make sure to click Update User to save your changes. Lastly, you have the option to remove users from your CocolevioHR account permanently. To delete a user account, go to Settings and click on the Users tab. Select the user or users you want to remove by checking the corresponding boxes. Next, click Delete User. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes, Delete to permanently remove the user's account and all associated data from your CocolevioHR. And that wraps up our tutorial. We hope this will make it easier for you to deactivate, reactivate, and delete user accounts in CocolevioHR.